So I just finished setting up this new pole for my bird feeders. I received this in exchange for this video, but all these thoughts are my own. Goes into the ground really easily with these 4 posts and also the one longer post in the center. You just jam it into the ground, step on it a little bit. Nice tall pole, and it has spots for a bird feeder house here at the top via that bracket, which you don't have to install that bracket. You could just have these 2 hangers here and hang some bird feeders from those. But yeah, great way to have a smart bird feeder there at the top, and also a couple manual ones there hanging. Lots of room for birds. So hopefully I can get some good video of the birds coming to this bird feeder here, and showing how this is just a great system for watching our birds. So seems like a good constructed system. You just kind of put it together by hand. You just screw these in just by hand, really easy, no tools necessary at all, and then hang your bird feeders from it. Pretty cool. I like it.